Now, I don't want to know when the last time that my posting frequency was more than once a year. It's been far too long. A lot of stuff has happened in between. I have done 2 years of university. I have quit university. I have moved to London with Meat-Based Boy and your girl Charlotte Adams, if you remember her from the original PBJ Uni vlogs.
Oh, it's the best part of your life.
The best part of my life. This is actually quite funny because we used to do videos in my room, just like this. But now we've got way more gear, way more light, and way more Zone 2 London. So what on earth happened? Yeah, no, I finished second year of uni this last June. Completely killed me off. I've never been such a vegetable in my life, and not in a good way, a bad way. I decided on a whim, hey, I don't want to do uni for a little while, / ever. I realised that nutrition wasn't my career path. It's not something that I want to, something I see myself doing until I am old and wrinkly, and it is something I only grew passionate about because of an obsession I had with food when I was younger. So I thought to myself, I'm out. I don't want to do this anymore. I want to go back to what I used to be passionate about, which was film, editing, photography, making things pretty much. And so I took the year out, and I've been wanting to live in London for a little while, so I thought, why not? Well, reasons why not were the sheer prices of rent and also council tax. That's the subject of another video.
Can we do my video on council tax?
Why I don't believe in council tax as a vegan. No, I've been living in London since September last year, so it's now coming up to 4 months. It's only been that long, it feels like forever.
No, it's only been like 4 months.
That's crazy.
The apartment's actually paid for, like at during rent.
But no, since then I have just been living and working, making a little bit of money. Yeah, no, this year's just been all about getting back into what I really want to be doing and just taking a year out of education, which has been killing me to death. I would have been doing a placement year in nutrition, so I would have been working in a bread factory for a year, measuring the amount of bacteria that I found on slices of bread. And I thought to myself, whilst I was looking through my placement options, do I really want to be doing this? No. So I didn't. So I just went up to my tutor one day. I said, Margaret, can I time out? And she was like, yeah. So I did. But you know, as you do in your 20s, you have a quarter life crisis. Still don't know what I want to do. I will go back to uni in September to complete my degree. Even though it's something I don't want to do in my life, I do want to complete it. And I'm a finisher, not a quitter. As an academic person and also perfectionist, I want that little square hat thing. What are they called?
I want that too. That's why I'm going to graduate.
Yeah, we're doing it for the hats, the 50k hats.
They're not even kidding. That's actually one.
I want the pictures.
I want it for the Instagram.
We're doing our degrees for the gram, shamelessly, and also the chance to say, yeah, we did everything that everyone else does, and we are sheeple. Hello.
We've got a special guest to come in.
It's Meat-Based Boy.
It's Meat-Based cunt.
Do you want to come in? Yeah, please. He's not vegan yet, but we're working on that. Do you want to show your hand? This is his hand. It's the same as last year. We've been together for a year and a bit. There he is. But yeah, things are up and down. We live on 4th floor. I go up and down daily. Have I written? Okay, these are my super scruffy notes right here. You probably can't even read them, but I think what I've written here is still vegan, but more drill.
Dull.
Oh, dull. I'm still vegan, but
more death.
More death. Yeah, no, I'm still vegan, but more dull, apparently. As in, I eat ramen
And
now.
avocado toast, we have a lot
I
of
eat
that.
a lot of avocado toast. That's not dull.
No, that's great. But
That's
I just mean
great.
It's got very
I eat
repetitive.
so much fat and salt and gluten, and it's fantastic. And during Ryder's probably cycling up Doisu Tep, just trying to compensate. I mean, I've even changed my Instagram name from PBJ Vegan Recipes to PBJ Normal Vegan, just because I'm very average in my eating habits, which I think is fantastic. Only on a vegan YouTube would you have an update like that, just to say, I'm vegan and I'm eating normally. I eat ramen now, newsflash, how fascinating. But no, I am attempting to make a comeback. I now have time. I have means. I am doing a lot more exciting stuff than I was in university, where I spent my days studying and crying and screaming into the abyss. But no, I am determined to get back to why I started PBJ, which was just making things. Making things is my thing of 2018. I want to just not think twice about, oh, I really want to make a video today. Yeah, go on, keep complimenting me.
You basically just need to stop being so hard on yourself, because your videos are very good quality.
Yeah, sweat patches.
See,
this is the content we want to be seeing in 2018, eh?
And the content we want to be seeing in 2018
is this. She's chosen. This is my boyfriend, Meat-Based Boy. He's grown his hair out long. Took me a while. Oh, she's so vegan, even her candles are...
Just gotta promote this.
Sprinkling the gay agenda all over me.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, and your girls, bye. So yeah, no, it's been kind of a rough 2017. Not gonna lie, the second year at university was the worst year with regards to mental health. Complete write-off, 100% write-off in terms of existence. I have never felt that burnt out in my life, which was one of the reasons why I took my year out, so I could recover, heal from the higher education system for a little bit before I came back and completed my degree, which is one of the best decisions I've ever done. Really proud of myself for just saying, no, I'm not going to do that, I'm going to do something else. It doesn't mean that now I'm absolutely happy and fine, because that was probably one of the things that I was expecting, that when I was outside of uni, that everything about my mental health would be suddenly better. But, you know, mental health's kind of a bit sticky. Today is actually the day where I have made a doctor's appointment for my mental health. I'm going to get treatment at last. After 7 years of having a brain that is up and down, I can feel completely happy and normal for a season, and then suddenly I'm hit by, I don't want to get out of bed, and all I want to do is just sit here and stare at the ceiling, because that's all I feel good enough at. It's taken me a while to admit that I'm bad enough. The fact that I have those seasons where I do feel like I can't move because I don't have the willpower to do anything, that is abnormal, and it's abnormal enough to go seek help. And even if those times pass and I do get to points where I feel normal and happy, yeah, no, I'm bad enough to be able to seek help. It's been such a relief, and I'm excited to get better. This has been a bit of a roller coaster, hence why I've not existed regularly for 2 years. I mean, I'm kind of scared because I feel like I'm going to jinx it if I say, yeah, I'm excited about PBJ, it's just going to kick off again, and I'm going to do loads of things for it, and I'm going to learn a lot from it, and I'm just going to make things. 2K18, make things. Oh, boring first video back. I feel like that wasn't juicy or gossipy enough. But yeah, to sum up, quit uni temporarily, moved to London, and I'm making things in 2018. And I'm also doing a 9-to-5 job, which is sucking the life and soul out of me. So here we go into doing the big jump and seeing how financially viable PBJ is.
Yes. Kate's on by the way, so she's going to see your real pants.
She
doesn't read
Charlotte's girlfriend's going to see me in my pants on her bed.
Triggered.
So I better go before she thinks that I'm cheating on her when she specifically asked me not to.
Yeah, typing in the kitchen. So
Let's give them
the clickbait thumbnail that they want. So, oh god, it's a lesbian. Hello.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Yeah, you're about to walk into some real weird setup. Okay. Oh god. Using our pads.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Gross. It's a little weird route. Yeah.
I don't know how to stop all this.
I don't understand either. You need to leave the lighting here so that we can go and film it later. Yes.
How do I stop this?
Bring Alex in. They want to see some straight and some gay action.
Both.